Thanks to Klaviyo, we actually saw a 65% growth in our Klaviyo-attributable revenue. My name's Josh. I'm a retention director at Crafted. The idea of Crafted is around being a symbol of self-belief, to sort of attach more of a meaning to jewellery than rather it just be like a fashion piece. We also use the tagline "Crafted to last" because that then links into how durable our pieces are. Some of the challenges we faced was that our data was sort of scattered everywhere. A different email provider, different SMS, different reviews. We really wanted to sort of like own the customer journey. We use Klaviyo for email and SMS, so we can see that unified sort of customer profile. We create real sort of channel affinity. What we're trying to do now is get to know our customer with the amount of deep data that we can get and really go into the post-purchase flows, the cross-sells and the upsells to try and get that second and third time purchase and really make someone a brand loyalist. So there's been multiple like aha moments for us. 68% of attributable revenue comes from our automations. We could go to bed and literally wake up with more revenue, more profit made. It's kind of a no-brainer. Every day without it is just leaving money on the table. An automation that we built out with Klaviyo that's had a significant impact for us is the new price drop. We run some revenue events each year and that's absolutely helped massively. We saw last year a 30% growth on our UK store in terms of revenue. I personally couldn't live without the cloning feature. Being able to clone things over across multiple accounts was absolutely fantastic. I'd recommend Klaviyo to other brands. They really listen, and some of the sort of feedback we give, we see that it gets developed and gets shipped out, which is absolutely great.